I love coconut water, and I usually have a coconut water every single day. And so I wanted to go and try the Jan's brand of coconut water, and this one has pulp in it. So before I open it and try it, I want to go and show you the nutrition facts on it. I like coconut water that doesn't have added sugar in it, and this does not. So all you're going to get is just the coconut water with the pulp. Now, I found that when it has pulp in it, typically it's a little bit sweeter, and you know what? I don't mind. So I shook it up, and I'm going to try it for the first time with you. Let's see. Oh, yep. So I was right. It is sweeter. It's actually really good. It has a nutty flavor. It's a stronger flavor. So if you're looking for something that has a mild flavor, this one may not be it for you, but it's very sweet. Very, very sweet. I actually really like this. Hmm. It's good. It says that there's pulp in there, but I haven't gotten any pulp yet. Um, but all the other types of coconut water that I've had that have had pulp in it, they've been like diced coconut. So I'm kind of expecting that. In fact, I'm going to put some in a glass and we're going to find out. All right, so got a glass. Let's see what we got. Yeah, there we go. So I was right, diced coconut. It's not bad. It's actually really, really good. And I can definitely see myself not only drinking this like by itself, like alone, but also mixing it with orange juice or something like that. So if you are looking for a really good coconut water, then this is definitely going to be it for you.